Come on. Come on. Come on. All right, Louis, you gotta go, bud. Come on. I think it's working again. Come on. I think. No, I think it's working again. Yeah, we're good. We're good. We're real good. Holy shit, Theta. Damn, son. Anybody catch Theta a couple days ago when I told you to? Jesus, TNT. God, I tried to catch that pump too. Did we catch it? Did my bids fill? I don't think they did. 362. What's today? Today's Friday. So that'd been Wednesday at 10 a.m. And Wednesday was the 28th. I can't check my Binance account right now. So 10 a.m. on the 28th. No. Damn it. God, that's a hell of a pump. Oh, I hit her freaking target too. Just missed it by a few sats. Literally. Oh, that sucks. Dude, I missed it by 7 sats. Ugh. Shit. Oh well. We got into XLM. Damn, man. A little bit dumpy this morning. I told you guys last night I was gonna dump. I was in a rising wedge. I gotta tell everybody that we're live. Live now. It's up 65%. Theta is. I told you fuckers to buy that. I don't know. Last Friday or something like that. It's alright. We caught our BTC longs 3,900. Gonna sell like 40.75 to make sure we get out. And then but if I can catch a short at 42.20, I'm all about it. I'm all about it. Should give us some good trading ranges. Hey, I get to play golf today. It's almost December, and this Ohio boy gets to play golf. Now, you tell me if that's good stuff or not, because I think it is. All right, let's take me down. Let's celebrate something here. You guys gotta watch. Oh, are we lagging now? Don't start doing this shit. All right, you gotta watch who you're taking, who you're following on Twitter. There's this moron. He probably blocked me. Yeah, he blocked me. Oh, Crypto Steez. Oh, what a moron. He was like, that's not a rising wedge. He's an Elliott waiver. He was like, that's not a rising wedge. Doesn't have the properties of a rising wedge. That's what he replied to this tweet. I put this out of goodwill for free. This guy with 4,000 followers wants to kind of try to bully me around. It's not a rising wedge. Keep redrawing your trend lines. Like, dude, first point of contact, second point of contact. The third one took care of itself. The trend line is very valid. And so he didn't think it was a rising wedge, so he probably got wrecked. And yeah, we were arguing about it. Oh, he's an Elliott waiver. Not rising wedge. And then you look at it now. Well, that looks like a rising wedge breakdown, does it not? Twitter can be so wonderful. All right. Ooh, we're bouncing. Give me that bounce, baby. Hell yeah. Boom, son. What's the volume? Good. The volume is good. All right. I think we'll be able to get 40.75 again. What the hell? If you just look where we stopped short, guys. False break above the 236. Got the rest of the day to close back above. Now, one of three things is going to happen with BTC, okay? And you don't have to be a perfect predictor to make it happen. So, BTC does have this trend line here, right? And that could coincide with a drop to this zone, because the next zone to be looking out for is like 3,700-ish support resistance flip, and then after that it'd be 3,600-ish, somewhere around there. But it can come down here, and this trend line doesn't have to hold. It really doesn't. It could wick below, it could real body below. It's really the horizontals here that matter, okay? But here's the problem, is that, all right, we know this was a rising wedge. That's all good. And if we start drawing basically what is going to be a longer consolidation pattern, if this bounces, and you have to assume that it probably will try to bounce, right? Then at this point, that's your, and I should probably make this a 4-hour. You have to assume a consolidation pattern after a big drop like that's going to be thrown up, okay? Um, and let's say that we come back down here and we bounce again. Well, it's like a bearish pennant descending triangle type shit, right? Okay. We can make marginal new lows into the 3K zone. Okay, well, that's a falling wedge. Not the worst thing in the world. You'd want it to be on lower volume. Pay attention to the volume on this if we go lower too. But you know, I'm gonna have those 2800 to 3050 bids ready to go. 2x lev. So yeah, we're either gonna bounce now, we're gonna bounce down here, or we're gonna go lower. Okay, so here's the plan. You bounce now, everything's good. I don't think that we will bounce now. You bounce into a bearish formation, or you go ahead and get the bearishness over with, and you bounce into pretty much a bullish formation, which should be the last leg down. This could go on for a while, so just don't assume anything. You can place little flips on support resistance flips, which is what we're doing. But other than that, just try to steer clear. So this could absolutely go higher, man. It could absolutely go higher. But it's got some shit to figure out first. And this is why, if you watch and you look at Twitter and you see how fast everybody turns bearish, that's why you know we're in the business of shorting resistance zones at this moment. So yeah. We're back under 4K now, buddy. And then if we fib this move right here, guys, it's just a golden pocket bounce. I'm sorry. Wait, where are we at? I was on the hourly when I fibbed that, I believe. Yes, I did. Right here. That's the move. It's just a golden pocket bounce. 0.65, 0.618. Max target on this is 40.98. Okay? In terms of any positions, open positions, the max target on this is 40.98. The highest I see this going is 42.24-ish. Everything has an ish on it when you're talking about fib levels. 42.24, that's a 236 of the current move. You've lost it. Now you've lost the 0.5, so you can't assume that this move is still bullish, right? Still above 39.96, you can assume this move was still, going to go higher. But it lost the 0.5, and now it's at the 618 golden pocket area. That just tells you that it should go to the 382. What happens there determines the trend. But if you get a chance after that to be shorting the 236, it's probably a good idea. Okay? It's probably a good idea. Oh, you're using, US Tether markets, USDT. So yeah, looking at Ethereum's, it broke down. Here's your market structure. First point of contact, second point of contact, third. That's a bullish hammer above. Was there any volume there? This hasn't been a high volume sell-off on Coinbase for Ethereum. If we fib it from bottom of the move to top of the move, it hasn't even hit the 618 yet, but it has lost the 0.5. I would assume that it would hit the 108 to 109 area. And I told you guys yesterday, to long this zone. So if anyone took a long, you're up $2. Congratulations. ETH BTC trying something stupid. Is that a bull div? That is. It's a 4-hour bull div. All right, that's good. Is there any volume? It's polo, so probably not. More bear than bull recently. If we go to the daily, I'm going to delete this here. Still looking at 0.024. We'll go to the 3-day, right around here. Now, it could bounce right now, and the reason, I mean, I hadn't seen the 3-day, and that's my fault. The reason that it's trying to bounce here if you look at the real bodies of this, it's right there. But the macro 886 and the wick touching that is 0.02369, so we'll just call it 0.0237. Right around there. I would be expecting a bounce. Now this is a 3-day bull div, and it's pretty damn exaggerated, so I wouldn't roll out a bounce here, but it's got to get going. So send me 1 ETH, I'll send you $10. You swear, dude? I'm still looking at 0.0237 for ETH. Back to the USD chart. If you took the, I mean, if you get a chance to short 120, I'd do it. I'd even think about front running that near 118.50-ish, 118.70-ish off this wick. Yeah. This is more of a bullish formation, though. We can call this a falling wedge. We can call it a pseudo bull flag. I think if we go from real bodies on the hourly, it'll be more of a bull flag. Something like that. Something like that. But don't go following into this shit for real. All right. Let's look at Ripple. Little tweezer bottom. What's Binance say? It's a 382, and I told you I'm not in the business of long in 382s. Yeah, no, I'm all right. If you get a chance to short this 236, I'd do it. So of the entire move, and you may not even have to do that. You could probably hit the 236 of this move at 9,500-ish. I just needed the number. Probably what I'd do. Short the standard. Yeah, I mean, Steffi, Coinbase opening OTC markets is just, there's infrastructure being built left and right by big players. Waiting for the market to catch up. No, WTF. Ionda, what, dude? Hi. Good morning. WTF to you. Is my video lagging? I think my video is lagging. BTC dead? No, it's not. Stop it. Trade the chart. Dude, my encoder's now being slow. I'm sorry, guys. It's lagging. It is what it is. Now it says it's... Ugh. I don't know why it does this. Alright, guys, I'm gonna have to cut it off because it's lagging so damn bad. It's seriously one frame at a time. My encoder's jumping all over the place. If you see that down there, it's like it's drunk. Dropped frames 35% of the time. Oh, you can't see it here. I'll move my. There you go. Look at that down there. I normally output at 6 to 8,000 bit rate, and I have it down to 3,000 so I can try to keep up here with the internet. Internet's good. It's just it's not responding to it. I think the house is too big or something, and it's just it. And look at that. It's just jumping all over the place. Drop frames 36% of the time. I can't stream like this. I'm sorry. I don't know, guys. I'm sorry. I feel bad, but I'll be back on Monday. You know where to get me in the chats. Uh, thumbs up for buy, thumbs down for sell. I mean, you can hear me on audio. All right, guys. I apologize. Get at me in the chat. My bad. Have a good day.